My very evil mother just smacked Uncle's nose. Sorry, Mommy. In this video, we'll be showing you how we speed built this solar power solar system. And it's coming up now!
Welcome to another DadnKid. We bought this solar system, solar powered. Yeah, wait 1 second. Solar powered and motorized solar system. To attach the red wire and the blue wire. So 2 wires, and watch the dog.
How do they stick?
I'll show you. Put this here, and they're going to slide into these holes here.
Super cool.
See? Which one's which? Tell Maya which one's which.
So this one's Earth.
Yeah, this is the sun. They're all spinning around the sun. This one's Saturn.
Saturn's the one with the very beautiful ring.
This is Jupiter.
Yeah, Jupiter. Haha. This is that.
That one is Uranus.
Uranus. And look
this
under.
one is Neptune, Maya.
Maya, look under the machine.
This one is Neptune. Venus, Mars, Saturn, Uranus, Jupiter, Neptune, Earth, Mercury, Venus. That's it. Finished. Okay.
That's really cool, isn't it?
Maya, let's put it in the sun.
Okay, wait.
What's
So,
this, Grandma?
well, let's say, before we do that, let's see. Okay, so that's all for today. If you like our videos, we release videos every week. Be sure to hit subscribe and what?
And hit the bell notification.
Yeah, so you don't miss a video. We'll see you next time. See you later, alligators.
In a while, crocodile.
We're off to go and play with our solar system and see if it works.
See if the real sun in the space can have loads of power to make it spin around on its own when it's not with a battery on.
Yeah.
Like
So
that.
should we go and put it in the window?
Yes.
Okay, go.
See you later, alligator.
See you later, alligator. Hang the wild crocodile. See you later, alligator. So long. That's all. Goodbye.
My very evil mother just smacked Uncle's nose. Sorry, Mommy.